Hi everyone, welcome back. I just got me some ghost pepper wings from Popeyes. They gave me ranch sauce too, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat it. If I'm gonna need it, matter of fact. Car mukbang. These are the ghost pepper wings. Oh, they're not that spicy, y'all. Got me some fries and a biscuit. So these are the extra ones because I had to get two. Guess my daughter gonna eat those. Yeah. I haven't had Popeyes in a while. And I always ask them if they gave me a biscuit, like I really need it. Cause with this chicken and these fries, I don't really think I'm gonna need the biscuit. But the ranch sauce is really good. Hope I don't get copyright for that. The car playing music beside me. I hope people don't think I'm crazy talking. Oh no, they could just think I'm on the phone having a conversation. So yeah, I'm enjoying these ghost pepper wings. They're not as spicy as I was expecting, but that crunch and that crisp is on point. Spitting out the gristle. I don't eat the gristle. Gristle is weird to me. I could have used some ketchup on these chicken wings. Yeah, so happy Saturday, guys. What are you guys getting into today? Let me know in the comment section if you also tried the wings and what you thought about them. I was really expecting them to be more spicy, like ghost pepper. Wow. I know those are spicy. I could have just used regular crispy chicken and hot sauce. I'm not disappointed because Popeyes chicken is always good anyway. Nice little spice to it. Reminds me of KFC spicy chicken. They're not calling it ghost pepper spicy chicken. Also, give me some ideas on what I should do next, please. Because I don't want my whole channel to just be cornstarch. Even though I appreciate the love from the cornstarch videos, but there's a lot of negativity with the people that watch. I'm not saying everybody, but there's a lot of mean people with some mean stuff to say. Like, I guess it is what it is. That comes with everything. I have people that I've used to show love to, YouTubers, small YouTubers like myself, showing them love on their channel and stuff. They never came to show love on mine. Now they want to come and show their face on my channel, my comment section. Don't show love now, because when I was out there showing you love, my love wasn't needed or appreciated. So some people just genuine to certain people. And that's fine. Show love to who you want. But don't come trying to show love after you see I'm not showing you love anymore. That's a wrap. I don't care how many comments you leave me. I'm not coming to leave no comments on your channel. Look at that. And that gristle just sliding right off the bone. I don't like eating and taking stuff out my mouth while I'm doing the video, but I just don't like chewing on gristle. Well, I hope everyone is enjoying their day. It's a beautiful day today. Not too cold. But when that breeze blow, that breeze blow. But anyway, I don't want this video to be too long. Like it's taking me forever to eat this 6-piece. And I'm gonna go take my daughter those wings before it gets cold. So on that note, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Bye.